My name is Alex Stoliarix. The platform is called Ecosystem One. It's an authoring tool for education. Basically, any teacher in the world, be it college, middle school, or high school, can put together an immersive lesson. And then students co-develop that. It's an open lesson that they finish up with their examples and publish in VR and on mobile. For Android right now and soon coming in Apple.
Hi, I'm Arthur Bainey and I'm working on a game called Strategiality. It's a real-time strategy game in VR. So basically, there's 3 players playing against each other. There's an AI player and 2 human players. One of the human players is in VR, the other is on mouse and keyboard, and they're all battling against each other in this massive war. And yeah, you can like capture bases to get resources. You can build like teepees, walls, turrets to defend your bases. And huts will produce like more warriors, so you can build up your army. And yeah, it's basically just an all-out war in virtual reality. Currently it works for HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, and Oculus Go. I plan on eventually porting it to Quest.
Hey, I'm Carol, I'm from Calvin Labs. My co-founder Brandon and I created an AR, VR crossplay game called Botnet. So the idea is you can have 1 or 2 people or 3 people in VR HMDs and then have everyone else who has an AR capable mobile device jump into the same world and play together. So it's a giant robot FPS right now. So we're showcasing Arena co-op mode here at Oculus Connect 6.
Hey, I'm Nathaniel Anderson with Tactical AR. What we do is law enforcement and military training in VR. We have a drop-in fire control group that goes in an AR-15. We've got a blowback AR-15 as well for training. We're working on prototypes of blowback and non-blowback pistols. We also integrate a pain penalty for when you get shot doing force on force. We build virtual reality shoot houses where you can match up the real world to the virtual world. What you're seeing is one of our consumer offerings. We have been on Steam for 2 years and sell that fire control group on that side as well.
Hi, I'm Vika, I'm from Somnium Space, and I'm presenting our social VR world. It's a world based on the blockchain where you can buy a piece of land and then basically build and create anything you want on it. So we have this in-game builder where you can start building, then you put on your VR headset and just start immediately exploring for what you build. We have a land auction coming up in October where you can basically buy land. It's on Ethereum, just go, buy it and start developing on it. You can start monetize it. You can build an experience, roller coaster, a museum. We have people that are already developing museums.
I'm working on a title called Modbox. It's a VR builder, and we're making a Magic Leap version. You kind of build your own environment and then play around with it in augmented reality.
Hey, how's it going? Craig Douglas, one of the co-founders of ContactCI. We're a haptic interface company working on extending the hand into spatial computing. So what we mean by that is we want to make every object be tangible and have your interaction be much more natural than what you're doing through a controller or just a gesture tracked interaction itself. So we're working on an exotendon-based device. So it's a restriction onto your hand from kind of mimicking the way your tendons work, and also a vibration on the fingertip to blend a couple force factors together. If you look right here, this is actually our current iteration of our glove. The whole thing is about less than a pound on each arm and provides 10 actuation points on your hand to give you that kind of real tangible interaction, making VR not 2 cents but 3 cents.